100 Easy English Sentences, Part 7. I am early today. I am early today. I am late for class. I am late for class. My class starts soon. My class starts soon. The lesson is interesting. The lesson is interesting. This topic is new. This topic is new. The answer is simple. The answer is simple. This question is difficult. This question is difficult. I need my pencil. I need my pencil. My pencil is broken. My pencil is broken. I need a sharp pencil. I need a sharp pencil. My pen has no ink. My pen has no ink. I need another pen. I need another pen. The book is interesting. The book is interesting. This page is important. This page is important. Turn the page. Please turn the page. Please mark this page. Mark this page. Write the date here. Write the date here. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. Check your spelling. Check your spelling. I made a small mistake. I made a small mistake. Please correct me. Please correct me. I need to learn this. I need to learn this. This word is new to me. This word is new to me. How do you spell it? How do spell it? What letter comes next? What letter comes next? Say the word slowly. Say the word slowly. Stress this word correctly. Stress this word correctly. My accent is improving. My accent is improving. I can hear the difference. I can hear the difference. Let's practice together. Let's practice together. Read after the teacher. Read after the teacher. Answer in English. Answer in English. Ask me anything. Ask me anything. Tell me your opinion. Tell me your opinion. Share your ideas with me. Share your ideas with me. That is my opinion. That is my opinion. I have a different opinion. I have a different opinion. We have the same idea. We have the same idea. Let's find a solution. Let's find a solution. This problem is easy to solve. This problem is easy to solve. We need more information. We need more information. I will search for it. I will search for it. I found the information. I found the information. Please save this file. Please save this file. Open the next page. Open the next page. Close the application. Close the application. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low. I need to charge my phone. Need to charge my phone. The internet is slow today. The internet is slow today. My connection is weak. My connection is weak. The video is loading. The video is loading. The screen is too bright. The screen is too bright. Turn down the volume. Turn down the volume. Turn up the volume. Turn up the volume. The sound is clear now. The sound is clear now. I cannot hear anything. I cannot hear anything. The picture is blurry. The picture is blurry. Take a clear picture. Take a clear picture. Send me the photo. Send me the photo. I received your message. I received your message. I will reply soon. I will reply soon. Check your messages. Check your messages. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Please answer the phone. Please answer the phone. The call ended suddenly. The call ended suddenly. I missed your call. I missed your call. Call me when you arrive. Call me when you arrive. My battery is full now. My battery is full now. I need to save power. I need to save power. The bus is crowded today. The bus is crowded today. There is an empty seat. There is an empty seat. Please move over. Please move over. This seat is taken. This seat is taken. Get in the car. Get in the car. Fasten your seat belt. Fasten your seat belt. The road is busy. The road is busy. Traffic is moving slowly. Traffic is moving slowly. We are stuck in traffic. We are stuck in traffic. The train is arriving. The train is arriving. The train is leaving now. The train is leaving now. Buy a ticket first. Buy a ticket first. Keep your ticket safely. keep your ticket safely. Show me your ticket. Show me your ticket. Which platform is ours? Which platform is ours? This is the right train. This is the right train. We missed the bus. We missed the bus. The next bus is coming. The next bus is coming. Let's take a taxi. Let's take a taxi. Please stop at the corner. Please stop at the corner. I need to cross the road. I need to cross the road. Wait for the green light. Wait for the green light. The street is very busy. The street is very busy. Watch your step. Watch your step. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Stay on this side. Stay on this side. We are almost home. We are almost home. The trip was enjoyable. The trip was enjoyable. I had a wonderful time. I had a wonderful time. See you again soon. See you again soon.